Straight keep.
Good afternoon, respected madam, supervisors, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Priya Gajja from 6th representing SS with my group member. And our topic is India climate. So first let me introduce my group member. Rajput Raymond, Frankel, Naidu Trisha, Nayatiya, Rajpal Abhay, and Kavya Rawat. So first, now let me start my introduction. Did you ever hear your mother say the weather is getting hot? Or your uncle say the climate of this area is getting cold? Do you know what is the difference between weather and climate? Rest assured because you will find out what is soon and study the climate of India as soon. So students, now let's learn what is climate and weather. Climate is the total of the weather condition over a large for more than 30 years. But how is weather different from the climate? Weather can change through the day for more Weather can change through the day for more than for same year. So now let's learn what is climate of India. Climate of India is described as monsoon type. This type of climate is found in South and Southeast Asia. However, there are variations in the climatic condition itself. In the interior region, the temperature of day and night is huge. So now I would like to explain my model. Here I have made model of rainforest. Here I have used artificial grasses, trees. Here we have used candles. So now I would like to call Rajput Ria for the speech. Okay, now I like to continue with my speech. Factors affecting the climate of India. Okay, students, we all know the effects of cancer is passing through the runoff side. Where the tropical areas of the earth, and this is the reason that the climate of India has both tropical and subtropical climate. Characteristics climate. So now I will explain to you my model. I use here sand, prints, and thermocols and plants. So now I would like to call Naidu Trisha for the speech.
About longitude and latitude. Altitude, we know that India, Himalayas prevent cold winds and pressure and more many things. And longitude is the Himalayas prevent cold winds from Central Asia from entering India. This due to
Yes, long.
this due to this
I have given altitude in this.
that is due to this reason that India prevent us cold winds from Central Asia. Now here I would like to explain about pressure and wind. India has unique winds. India has unique wind and pressure conditions. During winter, the northern area has higher pressure and lower falls in summer. Down, lower pressure, and India and Himalayas prevent us coldest winds and
Can you
Look in
remember?
the chat and speak, otherwise if you don't remember, or give the mic to the next child.
therefore that reason that Himalayas prevent us cold winds. Now I would like to explain my model. I take here longitude and latitude. You can see here I used ball and cardboard and thermocol sheets, and I made Himalaya range with thermocol and tissue paper and colors. Now I want to call Ayodhya.
Stand here only, no? It's okay.
Now I would like to explain about what is tropical monsoon rainforest and how it affects to the climate. The western coastal lowlands, the western Ghats and the southern part of Assam have this climate.
pass on to the next.
Now I would like to call Rajbarabar.
During October, November, the monsoon become weaker. The sun moves towards the south by the beginning of October monsoon. There is a chances of a hot rainy season to dry rainy season. Now I would like to call Now I would like to explain about distribution of rainfall. Some parts of India receive over 400 centimeters annually. It is, however, it is less than 60 centimeters of Rajasthan and 20 parts of Gujarat, Haryana, and Punjab. I would like to call Kavya.
Now I would like to explain my
Keep like this.
with the topic of types of season. The season, the climate of India has distinct seasonal patterns. The changing of the weather greatly from one season to another season. The weather temperature experience extreme temperature in interior region. The coastal areas do not experience extreme temperature. On the other hand, during summer season, due to the sun's position, the region experience dry climate like the equatorial region. The northern plains are influencing with the hot and cold loop from high and desert. This makes the temperature comparable in the southern part of the India. Now you know how many types of seasons are there. There are mainly three kinds of seasons: summer, winter, and monsoon. Now I would like to say about summer, winter season. Why do you feel cold? Because of Himalayan range, the wind blows to the southern and northern part of India, called cold wind. Why? Now we will how it begins from mid-November to February. January and December are the coldest months of this month. Now we will see the temperature of northern and southern part. The northern part has average temperature between 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and the northern part has 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. Now we will talk about the season summer. Why do you feel hot? Because of the high Himalayan desert, the Kutch desert, the wind blows to the northern and southern part called Lu. Now we will see this how it begins from March to May. In May, the temperature goes to 45 degrees Celsius towards the end of the summer season. Some countries in your town like Kerala and Karnataka celebrate it as a mango shower because they have earlier of the reaping of mango of this state. Now we will talk about the advancing of the monsoon season. Like the earlier June, the traces of the southern winds, the windwall of the western Ghats receive very heavy rainfall, more than 250 centimeters, and also uncertain floods in one point in another are also responsible for drought, and also retreat and irregular weather because it arrives any time of the day. Now I would like to explain my model. There are mainly three kinds of seasons, but I made six types of season: autumn, winter, pre-winter, monsoon, summer, and spring. I have made winter season with the help of water. In autumn, I have used paper curds.
Show. Turn. Priya, help.
This is the monsoon season. We use umbrella and raincoat to save from water. This is the season summer. We used to go on beaches or etc. In autumn,
Keep turning, no? So teacher can take photos.
In autumn, the leaves turn into golden brown color. In spring, the trees leaves change in the color light pink, also called it blossom tree. This is pre-winter, not so high winter, not so low. It's little bit of cold, little bit of hot. Thank you. Now I would like to call the Priya to speak.
Here our explanation gets complete. At last, I would like to thank the respected man who gave opportunity to show our talent. From this assessment, we got interesting idea which is useful in our future also. Thank you and have a nice day.